In this video, we are going to use ChatGPT to create code generator app using Python and Kinter. First, open ChatGPT website and type here, write code for QR code generator using Python and Kinter. Take URL as input from user and create QR code and display it in GUI using Kinter. As you can see, ChatGPT is now generating Python code. Let's run our script using command python app.py. Well, we got an error saying that I don't have Py QR code installed on my machine. Let's install it using pip command. Pip install Py QR code and it will be installed in few seconds. Let's run our script. And this is for our URL and file.